for today's video, we are going to identify the arc length. Okay? Hindi natin hinahanap yung measure ni arc, but we are finding for the length of the arc. Okay? For that, we have the formula. Arc length is equal to 2 times pi. Ano yung value ng pi natin? 3.14. Times the radius. Asan yung radius natin? Ito. Okay? And then times, we have here the theta over 360. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung formula natin for the circumference. Okay? Para mas mabilis nung matatandaan yung formula ng arc length natin, it's just the circumference times the theta over 360. Okay? So, paano natin yan i-apply? So, we have here the value of our theta, which is equal to 50 degrees. And the value of our radius, which is 6. And then we substitute, okay? So we have here the length or the arc length is equal to 2 times pi, okay, times the radius, which is 6, times yung theta natin, which is 50 over 360. Okay? Pwede nyo naman siyang i-multiply ng 2 times pi times 6 times 50. Pero pwede naman na tayo mag-lowest term na agad dito. So we have here 50 over 360. So pwede na natin makancel yung 0. Kasi 50 is just 5 times 10 and 360 is 36 times 10. So we just canceled yung 10 doon. Kaya naging 5 over 36 na lang siya. Ano pang pwede natin makancel? Pwede natin makancel yung 6 and 36, diba? Kasi yung 36 is 6 times 6. So makakancel natin yung isang 6 dito sa 36 kasi meron ka namang 6 dito. So ang matitira na lang dito ay 6. Okay, pwede din nating makancel si 2 saka si 6, diba? Kasi si 6 is 2 times 3. So tanggalin na natin yung isang 2, ang matitira na lang dito ay 3. Now we can multiply pi times 5. That's a 5 pi. Over, dahil ito ay 3 na lang, over 3. Okay? Pero kung gagamitin natin yung mas mahabang method, pwede rin naman. So we have the length or the arc length is equal to 2 times pi times 6 times 50 over 360. O, i-over ko na. All over ko na siya. O, sige, times natin. 6 times 50 is 300 times 2 is 600. Pi over 360. Okay, pwede na natin makancel yung 0. So, we have 60 over 36. Now, pwede siyang i-lowest term. Dapat ma-lowest term niya siya. Saan divisible si 60 and 36? Divisible siya by 12. Okay? 60 divided by 12 is 5. And then 36 divided by 12 is 3. Since you have pi there, so you have 5 pi over 3. Pareho lang naman sila. Okay? Now, kung kukunin yung approximate value niya, kailangan i-times nyo siya sa 3.14. Kasi ang value ng pi natin ay pi is equal to 3.14. So, we have here 5 times 3.14 over 3. Yung sa exam, kung pi lang naman yung given, okay na kayo dito, stop na kayo dito. Pero kung ang options ninyo ay nakadecimal, ibig sabihin, you have to approximate the value. So, 5 times 3.14, gamit ako ng calculator para mabilis ha. That's 15.7. I-try nyo nga kung pareho tayo. And then, you divide it by 3. So, you will have 5.22. So, this one is 5 pi over 3 centimeters or 5.23 centimeters. Okay? So, that's how we do the arc length. Now, you try. What will be the arc length if given kayo ng angle which is 30 degrees and the radius is 5 centimeters? Don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!